Hi everyone, I'm still back again, guys. I promise you, not say anything where they I will share with you now. Let's go while we are here. My people, what I carry corner about this picture. So one at the see so this news when they fly everywhere, they go everywhere. They talk say they talk say this girl say he get belle this whether na comedian Mike Nje abi wetin they call am Emmanuela. Say Emmanuela don't get belle o. They call am different name say he never reach to get belle. Say he can't get belle. Ah, as I hear the thing bangam, I said this thing not be true. I know for my mind because I never watched the video. Now so I tell Google, I not see anything concerning belle. I can't go in China. I can't say I say na art. Now they use ante art. What I want to talk today be say why Nigeria they carry fake news. Some bloggers they carry fake news. And now that place, Nigerians people they go where people when they carry fake news to end view because of view. On I go they lie they give person pekin. I don't know as I want to put that. Now person I born now different. If you see as they tell they talk this thing, me say I to say not true. They even they call her different name. Say the pekin, they never want the pekin now. Say the baby go carry belle. I say walai. Hey, it's good to to find something out, to find out whether the thing are true or not. They go they lie. If they not see anything, they go they lie. They give person so that they will get view. If on a checker, if news finish for grant, say nothing they trade, now so they go find one of or two things. They will carry and come and say now what the person do. You know good. And what I want to talk now. People when they follow, people when they lie. I don't know some Nigerians when they follow people when they lie. I beg, me I know they follow. Me I they follow people when they talk better thing. When I know say they know they lie. Not be people when they fight every day. They gossip. When I go they follow them, they clap hand, they follow them. They go they do a more. Especially some platform, big platform. They get big followers and they know use and to educate some people. Even Nigerians, they no use and educate people when they home at all. Even people when they European, they no use and educate them. Everyday fights, fake news everywhere. Me Nigeria, me they stop all these things. Good. If we see really news, the real one, when we know say not true, we go carry her. We talk as go be. As the thing go they okay. Not be say if news not there again, you will find one of two things or person pecan they lie they put on your head. It not make sense. I bet me Nigeria, me they need this thing. May they follow better people. Even if say they know they do anything, may they follow better people. Not be people when they fight, nothing, they don't get anything to offer. As Nigeria been now, everywhere this one everywhere not good at all. They no even educate them. Say see my people, see as go bio, see wetin with the see for you. We be want may they our home, may our side for good. They know they talk am at all. Everything let me say fake thing. I don't know. I don't really understand what they go on the social media. Different thing I can they happen again. Truth not there again. May we stop all those things. It don't make sense at all. You not fit us. May we they use our platform especially people when get big followers. Make they use am take they educate people. Make they not they use am take they disgwangwan people picking. They will just tag people picture. They talk say na so the person na so he can't confirm, na so he can't say no, he must carry this thing, he bring a real evidence, he do this one, they do this one, say this one I be the true one, this one I be the first one. I don't know as I want to talk on. Me all those things may stop. Now this thing I shock me. I can't say you see country when I for con, which country be this one when I for concept? I can't sit down, I can't the reason now. Say which country I for come? We know say you get news where you go give, some people go give, say na say the thing really happen. Not be the one when not happen. You just carry and come out. You come the user, take the disgwangwa everywhere. If fights come, you go disgwangwa the fight. Not be so. May would they do something in a normal way, in a rightful way. Okay, not be to disgwangwa people life best pecking. No. Now this girl, I touch me. I say, no, this thing is a lie. Why people they lie? Say this girl get belle. Even Sunday talk and say, if he get belle, now wow. If this thing not true, hey, if now be true, not lie, because they won't use that and many view. Many Nigerians they view them more. I don't blame anybody, Shana. Some Nigerians, when they view people, when they lie, now them I blame. Because many people, they are side there. When they talk truth for their platform, they educate people, you know. Men I find that kind of platform. Men I go like or follow them. Not be people when they lie, they go tag people. No. This news when they give say Imalela get belle. Imalela not get belle with my people. Imalela, whether na Imalela, I don't know. You not get belle. You not get belle. Imalela, I pray for you. You go reach your age, you go marry better husband. Even self, some kind they wish and say I hope the talk say I be what you call Regina Daniel or husband. They can't even they use that one to they throw they give Imela again. No, me will let this thing, me will stop all this thing. It no make sense. Okay. Imalela on I go see and say you go surprise on if time reach. You go carry better husband, can't show now. Men are not they wish bad thing now. No. It don't make sense. I know say picking na better thing, na better thing. But as they forge now say, this one I don't want to use the words for ye. Now you make because the words too heavy. One I go they wish another woman picking. I don't know whether na man picking. I don't know as I want to put on. They wish and this they call her so different friendly. You know, it don't make sense. It don't make sense at all. My people, now this one I get to talk for this issue of this Imalela. May Nigeria, may they try to they give waiting the positive, not be negative. Now they go they carry the con. May they give waiting the real, genuinely, not be fake thing. Me na sit down, me na still think again, okay? Me na sit down, me na reason. Say, no, na this level we won't take. Not be wrong way. I beg my people, now yeah, I want to talk this show for this social media and so. If you talk now, you know, some people, they will come attack you, say, you talk. Now waiting. People just they hide themselves, they talk with it they in mind. I bet my Nigeria people, men are still they follow better people. Okay, ma live on for you. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, don't forget to share my video, guys. Men are support me. Men are support my YouTube channel, Africa Euro Blog, even my page, Africa Euro Blog. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for supporting me. I so much appreciate you all. Okay, bye, guys. Thank you. I so much love you, guys. Okay. Bye-bye.